Hello, welcome back to the TV room. David Bradley here. So I do believe this 1541, which would not spit the disc out, has been fixed. There's just the tiniest little arm, and if you look at the video before this, you can see what I did. So here, once again, this is the brains of the operation. There are typically, dusty, typically 7 main chips and other components. In the back, of course, there's 2 serial ports. So you can hook up one drive and hook another drive to that drive. And then there's the power connector over here, right in the corner. It's got the orange and the blue, and it only goes on the right way. And then we have all these little connectors along the far side here. And once again, the plugs, they're pretty used to how they went. And it's pretty hard to foul up the way you put them on. It is. So we're going to reassemble here. And that means there are 7 screws to go back in. Now I tend to get a couple of them in, but I don't put them in very snug. Oh, that one didn't go in. What's going on here? Am I not lined up? Maybe I'm not. No. Oh, I see. The power connector's in the way. Okay. Great. I tend to get a couple of them in, but not very snug. And then attach the little cables. So they all, the way they sit, they're all kind of lined up the way they should be. Because that's what they've done for 40 some years. And the most critical one, I guess, is the black one, the read-write head one. And if you get it backwards, things won't work, but if you switch it around, it will. And then, now I have a couple of screws in. I will turn this up on its side. And I will get these ones in. That hold. The board to the side of the rail. And then typically now I found I can pretty much do them up. Once again, you don't reef on them, but you're just nice and snug. Nice and snug. Once again, these are all Phillips. Alright, and there's one. So there are 7 of them. Oops. There's always one that wants to give you a bit of a hard time, it seems. Okay, so once again, snug. The 2 that I first put in, I will now just snug up. And they're lovely. Now, this cord here, it's funny. Typically, it should be down in there, not up on the board. So there. On this one, it was up, but it doesn't make much difference. Okay. So, I will take and I will plug this in the regular power cord. Things are falling around me. Serial cord. I will turn this on, make sure. What's going on here? What have I done? Did I turn off the power bar? What have I done? Alright, what happened here? Is this power cord plugged in? And the answer is alright, what's happened? Is this cord actually plugged in? Yes, it is. Is that turned on? Yes, it is. Oh, right. If you don't plug in the power connector from the power thing, you'll get nothing. Okay, so it comes up, it does what it's supposed to do. Now is a good sign. Now, I can put this back up here. I can pop a disc out, look at that. Now, I can grab the 64 that I was testing it with. Power is off. I'll give it power. I will, use my glasses. I will find the serial cable. And without looking, pop it in. And there's the monitor cable. Without looking, I'll pop it in, turn it on. Oh, now, I guess, of course, now, if we actually want to do something, oh, there, that was good. I don't usually get it that good with the grabber. Now the monitors will come on. And it should come up with the 64 on there. Now, I suppose. Where? Was this the 64 I was using? I think it was. Did I take out? Did I take out Bradley's Basic? I thought I had in there. Okay, well, let's load the directory for a second. That loads just fine. All right, what have I done? I had Bradley's Basic in there for a good reason. To use the Basic 4 commands. Oh, come on. Did I drop it? I did. I see it. Ah, it's okay. Okay. We're going to poke 53280, comma 0. We're going to poke 53281, comma 0. We're going to load the directory. And list. Okay. This time we'll load 3, quote, comma 8. And it should, oh, I make a typing error. The computer will do, what have I done? The computer will do exactly what you say. There. It is now loading from the disk drive. It is loaded. I'm going to pop this out. Look at that. The disk pops out just standing. I'm going to put it back in, and I can see under there. Everything looks good. I'm going to run it. I'm going to tell it to go ahead up and burn. There. Banging the head. Sounds good. So this will let it go through its testing, and then I can decide that this disk drive is pretty okay. Just think. Somebody could just as easily have thrown this out. Said, oh, doesn't work. Must be broken inside. And that just that little piece was out of position. Oh, that's all it was. Anyway, well, I've been sitting here for a while. I'm getting kind of stiff. So I think I'm going to let this run and do its thing. And I think I could use some more to drink. It's what I've had. They said drink lots of water, drink lots of water, drink lots of water, so I think I will. But I'm going to let this run through its whole rigmarole, and then I'll see what else there is to see with some of these other drives. And I would bet, oh, here we are reformatting? Yes, we are. I would bet about now that this phone that I'm recording with could use some more power. I would bet. I would bet. Oh. 1541, lovely. Will not spit out disk. Haha. Okay. Oh. Metal arm was out of place. All good now. Now I don't have the serial number. And I guess I'll have to write more when this is finished, and I'll include the serial number. I shall. I'm thirsty. And there's a little bit left in here. But I think I need some more. I think I do. Anyway, so this is now appearing to be fine, appearing to be dandy. And I am pleased. I will have to move some things to be able to get out of here. There we go. It's doing the headbanger. Well, isn't the headbanger. Back and forth. Track 1 to 35, 35 to 1, 1 to 35, 35 to 1. Back and forth. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. It is. So, yeah. Alright. So, damn it. That was the sound of a 1541 sliding. Okay. So this one, I got nowhere to put it. I'm going to put it over here, where I shouldn't really. I'm going to put it over here. Chilling in this, Commodore 64 seems to work. Good test. Alright, put this one over here. I am going to get what is that sitting on? I'm going to get much better organized here. I swear. What is this one? One RAM chip missing. One RAM chip missing. And it doesn't feel like it's actually secure in there, which it probably isn't. Alright. I'll put that down over there. I'll know that those three things that I was tinkering on are there. Alright, well, I gotta get this 1541 off the floor. Oh, you don't need to see this. Anyway, alright. Thanks for coming. We'll see you back here in the television room. I'm David Bradley, your host. Recovering from horrible, horrible illness. I guess it's probably been 5 weeks since I've recorded much of anything or been able to accomplish much of anything. This recording now is a good test of my stamina, as I would like to get back to work. And I think I'll be able to. Anyway, thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. Bye for now. Oh, I can't reach. Oh.